Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to contact seller on a Temu. So first find an item that you want to contact the seller for. Let's say I want to contact the seller for this one, the microfiber fan cleaning kit. Alright, let's just go ahead and click on this and this will open up the page. So we'll just wait for this to load up. As you can see, it's currently loading up. They're going to ask you for security verification. We'll just do this slider and put it in here. This puzzle piece. There you go. Perfect. Validation successful. Now, all you need to do here, right? Here under the, product description, you'll see sold by, right? And this person is a star seller. Perfect. All you need to do is click on this, right? So clicked on that and we come to their seller page. So they're called Fun and Abundance. Okay, now just come here and click on message. Check this out. Just click on message and right here we're able to contact them. So you just start talking to them, right? You can send this to the chat and there you go. You can talk to them as well. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.